Squaring. The first step in many, if not most, blacksmithing projects is squaring. Squaring is the process of bringing your material into a square shape, which is very important in many different blacksmithing processes, such as tapering, and crucial for some, such as twisting. Bringing your material into a square shape maintains the material's core integrity and strength, allows the material to move effectively together, provides corners for visible twisting, and helps to prevent breaking and other problems during bending and shaping. Material usually comes in lengths of 3 basic shapes: square, round, and flat. To square from square. Admire your handiwork. You are an excellent blacksmith. To square from round. Pick an arbitrary side to flatten. Keep your material in place and move your hammer strike. Work from the tip backwards. Do several passes and stop when you have achieved a consistent pancake shape across the length you want to taper or twist. Rotate 90 degrees and flatten again until it becomes square. Edges will get cleaner and more defined as you taper or continue to square. To square from flat. Begin on the short side of the rectangle. Keep most of your work on the short side. Do upkeep as you go to keep sides straight and flatten fish lips. Rounding. Square material can be brought back to round if that is desired functionally or aesthetically. To round from square. Present one corner up and flatten. Rotate 90 degrees and flatten again until it becomes an octagon. Repeat on each of the corners you have made. Begin rotating underneath your hammer strikes until the material is smooth and round.